Lesson number 7. Male and female. In this lesson we'll learn about male and female in details. But before that, let me remind you that in the past lesson we learned about male and female in very short. And we learned that there are 4 important signs of being a thing female. And these are: number 1, E sound. E, like dosti, dosti, dosti. Friendship. खिड़की, 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 खिड़की. Window. चाबी, चाबी, चाबी. Key. गाड़ी, गाड़ी, गाड़ी. Vehicle. नदी, नदी, नदी. River. And the second one is the things in female in actuality. For example, guy, ga, a, guy. Cow. Bhais, bhais, bhais. Buffalo. And the third one is T sound. T, I mean ta, ta sound. For example, barsat, ta, barsat, barsat. Rainy season. Chat, chat, chat. Roof. And the fourth one is listening. For example, kitab, kitab, kitab. Book. Car, car. Now we'll learn about male and female in details. We should know that there are 2 kinds of females in every language. Number 1, female for living things. Number 2, female for non-living things. The same will be in Urdu as well. Female for living things are clear, meaning that we'll tell that this thing is female just after knowing the meaning of that word or just after looking at that thing. If I say aurat, that means women in English, you will know that this is female. But there are some signs that may help you to convert something into a female. First of all, we will know about the female living things. Number 1, some females are totally different from males. For example, aurat, female. Mard, male. Bahan, sister. Bahan, sister. Bhai, brother. Ammi, mother. Abbu, father. Number 2, there are some living things which we make female just after adding ha or h. And we add this in the word which is male, and usually these words are derived from Arabic language and works as subject. I mean ism fa'il. As we'll say, qatil, qatil, qatil means killer, male, while qatila, qatila, killer, female. Qatila, killer, female. Likewise, muhtaram, respected male. Muhtarma, respected female. Musannif, compiler, male. Musannifa, 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 compiler, female. Musannif, musannifa. Likewise, katib, 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 writer, male. Katiba, 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 writer, female. And the third one is, if a male word ends with a, I mean a sound, that is alif in Urdu, in this case, we will change a into e sound while converting that thing into a female. As we will say, ladka, 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 boy. Ladki, ladki, ladki. Beta, beta, beta. Son, beti, beti, beti. Daughter, ghoda, ghoda, ghoda. horse male, while घोड़ी, 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 horse female, मुर्गा, 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 rooster, while मुर्गी, 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 hen. Number 4. There are some living things which are always used as male things only. Some of them are as follows: कौवा, 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 crow, कौवा, crow, गिद्ध, 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 vulture, चीता, 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 कछुआ, 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 tortoise, भेड़िया, भेड़िया, wolf, जुगनू, 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 firefly, तोता, 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 parrot, मच्छर, 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 mosquito, सांप, snake, तेंदुआ, तेंदुआ, leopard, नेवला, 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 मंगूज, खटमल, 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 bedbug, उल्लू, 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 owl, खरगोश, 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 rabbit, चमगादड़, 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 bat. And now the fifth one. There are some living things which we always use as female. As we say, cheel, 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 eagle, chipkali, 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 lizard, makdi, 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 spider, बतख, 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 duck, लोमड़ी, 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 fox, छछुंदर, 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 mole, मक्खी, 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 fly, कोयल, 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 coil, मछली, 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 fish. And now we'll talk about female for non-living things. You must know that male and female for non-living things generally do not follow the rules which we mentioned before, as they are based on listening. But some signs which can help us know that this thing is male or female, and these signs are as follows. Number 1. The noun which ends with alif or ha, we generally consider it to be male, as pankha, 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 fan, pajama, 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 pajamas, darya, 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 river, sona, 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 gold, tala, ta-la, tala, lock, afsana, 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 short story, parwana, 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 butterfly, chehra, 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 face, guna, 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 sin, पौधा, 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 plant, तारा, 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 star, बंदा, 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 servant, सिक्का, सिक्का, सिक्का. But we'll use the following things as female, like dua, du'a, dua, prayer, qaza, qada, qaza, destiny, faza, faza, space, rah, way, dargah, dargah, grave, tankha, salary, hawa, air, jagah, place, tawajjuh, attention. Number 2, names of the days are used as male except the Thursday, that is Jumerat. So Jumerat is used as female. Number 3, every month is used as male except January, February, July and May. January, February, July and May. So these are used as female in Urdu language. Number 4, mines are used as male except for silver, that is called Chandi. So Chandi is used as female in Urdu language. Number 5, the word that ends with E, that is ya, in Urdu language. Usually these things are used as female, as topi, hat, churi, knife, qainchi, scissor, piali, cup, dari, mat, rui, cotton wool, chandni, moonlight, sui, needle, safedi, whiteness, jadi booty, herb. But the following will be used as male despite of having E at the end, like dahi, custard, ghee, moti, pearl, pani, water. Number 6, names of stars and galaxies are used as male except Earth, that is Zameen. So Zameen, Earth in Urdu language is used as female. Number 7, usually the word that ends with ya, that is ya, we use this as female, like chidiya, dunya. Chidiya, bird, dunya, world. Number 8, names of books, languages and prayers are always used as female. Number 9, non-living things which end with T, that is ta, is used usually as a female. For example, shikayat, complain, raat, night, maut, death, chat, roof, rahmat, mercy, rukhsat, leave, dhillat, humiliation, hayat, life, izzat, respect. Number 10, all words that are derived from Persian and ends with the sound sh, that is sheen, are generally used as female, like araish, araish, luxury, azmaish, azmaish, आजमाइश, टेस्ट, कोशिश, 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 ट्राई, बारिश, 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 रेन, परवरिश, 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 अपब्रिंगिंग, नुमाइश, 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 exhibition. Dear students, these are about male and female. Today we will not learn any new vocabulary as there are a lot of new words in this lesson. You should memorize these words so that you should not make any mistakes while using these words in your sentences. And now we'll learn some daily sentences. When we meet someone and we want to ask about his health, we will say, आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? Likewise, और बताएं बखैर हैं? और बताएं बखैर हैं? और बताएं बखैर हैं? How is your health? Asking about the family, we will say, और घर वाले सब ठीक हैं? 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 Likewise, और घर पर सब बखैर हैं? और घर पर सब बखैर हैं? और घर पर सब बखैर हैं? How about family? Likewise, when we meet a person and he seems to be sad or not well, we will say as following. सब ठीक तो है? सब ठीक तो है? सब ठीक तो है? सब ठीक तो है? When we meet a person about whom we know before that he was not well or he was ill, at that time we will ask as follows. अब कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? अब कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? अब कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? How are you feeling now? अब आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? अब आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? अब आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? How is your health now? क्या अभी आपकी तबीयत बेहतर है? क्या अभी आपकी तबीयत बेहतर है? क्या अभी आपकी तबीयत बेहतर है? Are you better now? When you meet a person who tells about that he is not feeling well, at the time we will say as follows. मैं आपकी अच्छी सेहत के लिए दुआगो हूँ. मैं आपकी अच्छी सेहत के लिए दुआगो हूँ. मैं आपकी अच्छी सेहत के लिए दुआगो हूँ. I pray for your recovery. खुदा आपको शिफाए कामिल व आजिल अता करे. खुदा आपको शिफाए कामिल व आजिल अता करे. खुदा आपको शिफाए कामिल व आजिल अता करे. I pray for your quick recovery. खुदा करे कि आप जल्दी ठीक हों. खुदा करे कि खुदा करे कि आप जल्दी ठीक हों. आप जल्दी ठीक हों. खुदा करे कि आप जल्दी ठीक हों. I hope you will get better soon. Dear students, today we don't have any written homework. Instead, we will do the practice of male and female in oral. So, revise the word meaning along with if they are male or female. As practice, we will just show you the word and you have to say if this is male or female. And then we will show you the correct answer along with the reason. Thank you. See you next.